ZANU-PF Women's League is plotting to block Vice President Constantino Chiwenga from succeeding the President Emerson Mnangagwa at the party's elective Congress due on October 22. Azvipere musha muri Zimbabwe toona kuti Women's League yorongera General Chiwenga wawarongera dende vachiti aiwa you will not succeed mutungamiri wenyika. Sana pina mashuka tomudanyogwa pana upload subscribe like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda mzimba muli gomuchinzi. Chiwenga was once seen as the designated successor to Mnangagwa following a gentleman's agreement made by the military leaders who orchestrated the 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe. However, recent developments suggest that Mnangagwa is reneging on this pact, consolidating his power and sidelining Chiwenga. As ZANU-PF prepares for its 21st annual People Conference, set to take place at the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair grounds in Bulawayo from October 22 to 27. Insiders revealed that plans to marginalize Chiwenga have now shifted focus to the Women's League. This strategy aims to exclude Chiwenga from the 2028 succession race, paving the way for Philip Valerio Sivanda to take the post-Mnangagwa presidency, said the party sources. Meanwhile, Mnangagwa loyalists are pushing for constitutional amendments that would allow him to extend his presidency beyond 2028 despite his term limits. Ndo mashwari buda panapa choneka kuti aiwa Vice President Constantino Chiwenga varuda kusideline panapa, varuda kuti Women's League irifana kupindira kuti imudzivirire kana kuti imuwadze kuti atirege kupinda musuccession race, vapave a way for Valerio Sivanda. Aiwa muri Zimbabwe ndo chitiko chatiri kuona kuti vakomana vari in a bid to amend the constitution kuti iye alawe kuti mutungamiri wenyika aextende mayezi ake kuti asvike kuna 2030 uko. Tudze mafungiro enyu pine comment section medu, subscribe, like and turn on the bell icon.